and welcome to another podcast episode of ours. So, I'm your host Swarna Sharma, and today we are excited to have Milky Agarwal on board. So, she has a experience as of 3 years, and she is currently working as HR manager at We Launch. And we'll have her insights and expertise in the same. Thank you so much, Milky, once again, and welcome to the episode. So,
Hi,
yes,
Swarna.
over
Thank
to you,
you.
Milky.
Yeah. Hi. Thank you so much for having me. So, as you introduced me very well, I have around 3 years of experience into HR, and yeah, it's going so far so good at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I just wanted to know, Milky, how you have started your journey into HR. Because once I was in my graduation period, I was not aware about the HR, how vast this thing is, and kitna bada department hai, how many like sub department in this HR department. So yes, mujhe I don't know from very beginning. So once I got into post graduations, I got to know about the same. So I just wanted to know about your journey. Yeah.
Sure. So initially, as you said, I also didn't know anything about what I'm going to do after graduation. No idea which field to go, nothing. So I only knew like what are the fields there. Like marketing is there, sales is there, and HR is there. I just knew the names, but I didn't know what exactly they meant. What exactly is there inside all of this? So I landed up
Yes.
like I was a COVID batch student, so I landed up into an
Oh,
work from home internship. At that time there was a boom in like work from home things, so I
yes,
landed up
yes,
in
yes.
internship into I Fortis. You might have heard of that
Okay,
name.
yeah.
So
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. My many batchmates have done the internship from there.
Yeah. So
Yes.
after that, like it was a good experience. Then I knew like this is something I can do. I can work out something in this.
Okay.
So then I landed up another internship into HR itself. So it was something
Okay.
into network marketing HR thing. Like I have to call people and build my own team,
Oh,
something like that.
yes,
So
yes,
yeah,
yes.
that was also pretty
Okay.
good. After that, in my last semester college, I landed a job into an IT consulting firm. So I was there. It was a
Okay.
full time. I was there as an HR trainee, and then yeah, after that,
Okay.
I started my journey. Yeah, and it's been great since then.
Okay, okay. Like it was a great experience you had. So, like, how many
Definitely.
internships you are opted, and how you make your mind to go in HR field only? Like, you have done so many internships, right? So, how it comes in your mind? Can I want to pursue my career into the same?
Firstly, because I thought that this is my thing, because I like talking to people. I like to know about their
Okay.
lives, and when I see people landing a job because of me, and they're thriving and succeeding in their lives, and that is a fulfilling feeling for me. Like that is the best feeling
Okay.
that I have ever had. So I thought like this is the thing I've been studying for. I've been vouching for all my life to make a positive
Yes,
impact in
yes.
someone's life, and that's great. The feeling is
Yes.
great. So I
That's
just
that's very great of you.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, so like I just wanted to know, like you have been working from home. So how's your experience is for working from home, and how you are developing your skills day by day? Because office
Yeah,
culture is more to dynamic now, but how you are developing your skills? What is your strategies of working? I just wanted to know.
definitely. So yeah, I have been waiting for this question because there's a debate going on that which is better, work from home is better, work from office is better.
Yes, yes,
But I think the
yes.
thing whichever suits you best is the best option for you. Either work from home or either office. Like there are some people who cannot
Hmm.
be as productive in work from home as they are in office, because they get to
Yes,
get ideas from people around, and that depends on different job role as well. I majorly think that if a marketing person
yes,
is
yes.
sitting in office, he'll get like thousands of ideas sitting there. But like if I am working from home, I am okay with that as well, because I don't need to create. I don't need that creative mind, because yeah, I am
Okay.
okay. So about the work from
Yeah.
home thing, I have always worked from home since the start of my career. And
Okay.
the first actual job which I consider a full time work in was I joined a startup called Acukaro. So,
Yes.
yeah. So I was the first employee there. Yeah.
Okay, like you're only the one in the team.
Yes. Yeah, there
Okay.
was this my CEO, and then my
Hmm.
manager, and yeah,
Okay.
and then me. So that was like the perfect thing. That would the combination was all set, and I created, like, I helped me and my manager created the whole team, the whole HR team, because it was a consultancy, so all of
Okay.
them have to be in like HR. So we gathered people from here and there and built a team, and then it was
Okay.
a team of 10 people, and like seeing them
Oh,
grow
great.
from start to a team of 10 people, that was a great feeling and a great achievement, which I think. And
Okay,
yeah,
so how much duration you have been there in that company?
so I've been there for like 1.3 years. I joined in as an HR executive, then I got promoted to senior executive team lead. So yeah, everything
Okay.
was going good. Yeah, after that I thought that I need to join some other thing now. So
Yes,
yeah,
yes,
some growth is also required. See, I really have my sentiments attached to them, like, very badly. I just love them.
yes,
But yeah, still, personal growth is the thing that drive me to take a job switch, and I think that's important as well, because
yes,
the
yes, yes.
dialogue in that movie, कहीं से नहीं जाने के लिए कहीं से निकलना पड़ता है, correct? So
That's
I
very
think,
true.
yeah, that is actually true.
Yeah, like that is very important for your personal growth and as well as your like company's growth as well. Because
Yes.
if you're stuck somewhere for a longer period, तो वहाँ पे I guess आपकी value कम होने लगती है. Because people
हाँ,
start
that.
taking you for granted as well. Because I have seen people giving 5 years, 6 years for a company. But अगर आप वहाँ पे growth expect in terms of money or in terms of respect everything, अगर आप स्किल सेट में भी ग्रो नहीं कर पा रहे हो और नहीं कर
Mhm.
पा रहे हो तो इट्स वेरी गुड टू लीव द कंपनी और आप मूव ऑन कर सकते हो. Like if you have seen
Exactly.
my post on LinkedIn, so I'll just motivate people to doing the same.
Yes,
Because
yes,
yes,
exactly. And talking about this, I recently have had an interaction with a candidate. So she was in the same company for 7.5 years.
okay,
Yes, and in return, what she get is no appraisal. So the
oh
thing which you said, like, the people
yes.
start,
Like
yeah,
we have seen so many people because we are from the background. We have to interact with many people. So as
exactly.
I'm also dealing with the same, तो HRs में job बहुत कम है and people are so many. तो ये एक
Yes.
challenge बहुत मैंने like आजकल देखा है. So I just wanted to know your views on that कि आप कैसे जो youth है उनको आप motivate करना चाहोगे to pursue HR with some extra skills जो उनको एक जॉब दिलाने में भी हेल्प करे. सो व्हाट्स योर पॉइंट ऑन दिस?
Okay. So first of all, I would tell them to work on your communication. That's important, not for HR, for your personal life and like your professional growth in each and every profession. Communication is the key. A person, like for me, I don't take the person on their technical skills as much as I hire them on their soft skills. Do work on your
Okay.
soft skills, because right now people are not looking for the candidates who are technically fit. They are actually looking for the people who are cultural fit, because culture is the
Yes.
thing people are vouching for more nowadays rather than money,
Yes.
because I've seen people negotiating money over culture. So they
Yes. Yes.
yeah, so nowadays culture is the most important thing. So be culture fit, be apt in your communication, and in HR the most important thing is you make people feel valued and heard. That is the most important
Yes.
thing. Right nowadays, like, HR don't respond, they just cut the calls, and this can never help you grow in your career, because I
Definitely.
personally fostered that relationship with my candidate, that they really appreciate all of that, and that feeling is great, rather than they saying
Yes.
कि you don't respond and all. That is the worst feeling. Like, that's a worst feedback as an HR, or as a person also you can get. Like, putting someone
Yes.
on hold is not the right thing to do, and many HRs do
Yes.
that, and I really don't like that personally, and I really don't
Like,
think anyone who wants to go in HR, you have to come, you have to be an active listener.
and one more thing, like I just wanted to know how you will be dealing with your team as you are working from home, because I'm into office culture, so I know each and everyone personally and I interacted on a daily basis. So what's your strategy and how you manage your team?
Okay, that's a
Okay,
good question.
that's a good question. Yes.
The most important thing in work from home, as an HR, I would say, is you have to interact in such a way, you have to make people in your team interact in such a way that they feel engaged, that they feel, they know each other. Like, I personally know everyone because I usually call and like talk to them. I foster that relationship, but it is more important to
Okay.
make people also foster that relationship in each other. So, I
Yes.
think one way is that, like, in office also, I think there are fun Fridays, some
Okay.
Sunday, Saturdays, like fun Saturdays or something. So you
Okay.
need
Sorry
to
to interrupt, but what kind of activities you plan for an online platform? Because you have been working from so far in the same module, I guess. So how you plan your like teammates to participate? Because it's very difficult क्योंकि in office वो लोग participate नहीं करते हैं, तो I guess this is a very big challenge you can face in virtual as well.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah.
what I do is I don't tell them beforehand, because they come up with any excuse like, I have this, I have that, I need to leave. No, nothing. I don't even let them know that I am planning something. So it's like an
Okay.
instant bomb that explodes on them. Ki, like, turn on our cameras and we are switching on into a game. So
Okay.
and
So
yes,
that's a
and they
nice
do it. Like,
strategy.
I have had a cooperative team. Matlab, they do that as well. We play
Okay.
Pictionary, we play like musical emojis and something. I come up with the different ideas. Chat GPT helps a lot now.
Yes,
So yeah.
yes, yes. Okay, that was a great experience. Yeah, sharing with me, and I'm also enjoying your experience because I don't know very much about the work from home culture because from the very starting, I was into work from office culture only. And one more thing I just wanted to know, like in person, we can deal with the challenges of our employees. So how you will be dealing like offline, like other than that, like online challenges, what you come up with and आप उनको कैसे डील करते हो what you how you deal with your employees and what's your strategies and everything related
Yeah.
to that because I
So
guess बहुत
initially,
बड़े-बड़े challenges भी you
yes.
can face right yeah so please
Definitely. Like, I think in work from home, you get more challenges because you don't know the people
yes
sitting on the other side of the screen, right? You just know
yeah
them professionally. Matlab, even if you talk to them like for hours, but you are not able to know them until and unless you have a face-to-face interaction.
yes
So what
yes definitely
exactly happens is, like, sometimes people face miscommunication challenges. Now, the important thing which I told you is that active listening. That is the
yes
key. That is the key. Like, you need to actively listen to both the parties regarding the conflict without any bias. And you
yes
have to make them feel heard and valued. That is the most important thing. If you feel
yes
make them feel neglected, make them feel unheard, unvalued, they will definitely raise a concern, and you know you might lose a good candidate and you go good employees
yes
because of that.
yeah
So
yeah yeah
that is the problem.
Yes. So, yeah, thanks for sharing your views on the same. So, other than that professional talks, I just wanted to know about your city because you belongs from Mathura, right? So, it's like people say it's a Janmabhoomi of Krishna Bhagavan. So,
Yeah,
what's your point of view and how you're feeling living there from years?
definitely. So I am born and brought up here. So of course we have. Matlab, I am the, what do I say, the most important teacher, and the teacher which I value the most is Lord Krishna for me,
Okay.
because since childhood we have like listened to his stories, we watched his cartoons, we have
Yes.
like read, we have sung these bhajans, and we like sing Krishna songs. And over
Yes.
call also, when we talk to our relatives, like if you call anyone from Mathura or Vrindavan, so
Yeah.
they'll always say, pick up the call and say Radhe Radhe. That is the
Yes.
thing which is integrated from all of us since birth, I would
Yes.
say.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and people consider this such a holy place, and I don't know, there's some or the other magic in the year of Mathura and Vrindavan. Like, if
Yes.
I'm in any other place, there's no such relief, but coming back here is like such a relief.
I'll
Obviously.
also
Yeah.
I also can feel that because last year only I came there, like Mathura and Vrindavan. I visited both the places, and like really there is some magic in the year of theirs. So I'll feel the same, and that's why I just wanted to know about your city and about your feelings, like how you're feeling to living on a place where actually our God is there.
Yes, yes, he actually is here. You know,
Yes.
the strategy which you were asking now, my basic strategy to resolve everything is just to say, Hey Bhagwan, Hey Krishna Ji, just please. And it's all
Yeah.
sorted. And it's for real. It's definitely for real because he helps me get through anything and
Mm.
any point of time. I just remember my God and like
Yes.
he actually, we really feel his energy going into like Mathura and Vrindavan. When you come here, now you feel that energy. And
Yes,
like
yes,
I will
definitely.
promote people to come here, visit Vrindavan, visit Mathura. It's a very
Yes, it
great
was a
thing.
great feeling to be there. So yeah, I quite jealous of you there at that point.
Many people are
Yes.
actually. Many people are. People have told.
Yes, yes. Because you are working from home and that from a very great city. So yeah, it was a great feeling to be there.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, and I'll be very great if we meet in person as well. So yeah,
Definitely.
I'll just thank you a lot. Thank you, Milky, for having me. Like, I'll have you there on another side of this podcast. And yes, it was a great experience you have shared with me, because mine experience and your experience is totally different. So it was a very good insight I can give to my audience. So once again, thank you so much.
Swarna, thank you so much for having me here. Like it's a great feeling to talk to you. Yeah, and like to share my experiences, of course, because I sometimes people think that I belong to a very small place, Mathura, Vrindavan. I know they are not that urban, you know,
Yes.
but I would just say one thing that if you want to do something in life, you can do it from anywhere and without anything as well. Like you
I
just need to
believe
start, you
that.
just need to take that first step. That is the
Yes.
most important thing, and like you can, sky is the limit then.
Yes. I am very impressive with your like personality and your profile as well, because you have a great experience and you are a good person. Thank you so much for having.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Likewise.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thanks.
Have a
Bye.
great day.
Have